Hey, Stevie, hey, go on and hit that subscribe button. I know you're watching the video.
Come on, man. Too easy.
Hey, what's happening, Stevie Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, what do we got? That what? That
Weekly
weekly heat,
heat.
baby.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Weekly
sir.
heat.
That weekly.
Weekly heat.
I'm gonna go ahead and
hmm
start off. So this is the airship that was supposed to originally come out, but it got pushed back. The new date is March the 13th. The Wake collaboration with the Air Jordan. This is an airship. We do know now that there's going to be two different colorways of shoes, and we will be showing more of the red pair because we do have more pictures now. This is a unique colorway. If you like airship and you like snakeskin on your airship, this will be the one to get. You see right here, we're looking at this red pair. It does have that red around the collar, and the blue will be pretty much the same, but wherever it's red, it's going to be blue. So this airship does come at a price point of $150. It is a little bit more expensive than our normal airships, and I think it's a clean collaboration with Awake New York. Again, they'll be releasing this on their website. Supposedly the raffle is open right now, so if you want these stickheads, go and put your raffle in. It does feature predominantly all white shoe, but the hits are red. The other colorway will be blue. Wherever it's red, it's gonna be blue. It does feature that midsole and that aged out midsole. Just a very clean shoe on the back. On the heel, we have Awake New York on one shoe. On the left shoe, on the right shoe, we do have the standard airship branding, Nike Air on the back. It does feature that snake skin coming down to the bottom of the heel. Around at the bottom of the shoe, it does have that aged out look we've seen before with the Reimagines. It does come with a nice little Jumpman hang tag. I think that's a really nice little keychain collectible if you collect those. It will be thrown in and look like some free stickers. And it does come with a unique box. Comes with a black box with the Wake branding with that Jumpman in the middle. So again, this is a clean shoe. However, I do not wear airships, so I will be dropping these. How about you, my brother?
To me, they remind me of the ones. I'm a one fan. Hey, this shoe is budget friendly. You know, Jordan Brand, they putting some thought behind what they're doing. It's coming out at the right time with it being spring. I like what they're doing there. I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you'll be rocking those or dropping those. But my brother, I will be rocking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So moving on, what we got next, my brother?
So on March the 13th, we do have that another airship. This is that rust pink. This is a men's shoe. Price point for that shoe is $140. It is budget friendly. What stands out for this shoe is what they did, the tongue, right, with it going into the spring. I like what they did. They incorporated that gamma green. Drop us a comment down below if you agree with them adding the green to this shoe, because it is a rust pink shoe. That green was just a pop of color they added to it. I don't know why they went with green. I don't know if green complements pink, but it's just different, for a men's shoe. Jordan Brand is thinking outside the box, and I can appreciate that. That nubuck leather, I really like that. I like the toe box, what they did with the toe box and the stitching. They put some thought behind this shoe. I can see this shoe sitting for some reason. It is budget friendly with that price point, but I can just see that shoe sitting. It will come with extra laces, pink, a pair of pink laces. I am a one fan, but this is a shoe, and I believe this is the first. I'll be dropping that. Hey, giving that a thumbs down. Yeah, I will not be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But my brother, I will be dropping those. What about you?
So I agree with you on dropping these as well. Again, I'm not an airship person. Again, it has to be that right colorway. I do like the light blue ones that came out. Of course, I'm here in North Carolina, so I'm prone to the UNC blue colorways. but airships, I don't wear those, so I'm dropping those.
Mm-hmm.
So the last shoe of the week, it is the shoe of the week, in my opinion, March the 16th. In full family size, we do have the Jordan 3 Green Glow. This is a clean colorway, in my opinion. Men's sizing will be retailing at $200. GS pairs come in at $150. Little kids coming in at $90. Infants and toddlers, $75. So this kind of reminds me of another shoe that already dropped in 2021. I'm going into more details after I give a brief description of the shoe. But this is another black cement, in my opinion, except for instead of having red, it does have a mint green. I do like the mint green, I'm not gonna lie. I think that if you don't think you'll be able to hit on the black cements coming out in December, I do recommend to go ahead and snatch these up right here. This will be an alternative black cement for you if you want to rock the black cements. And again, this is right now going under retail. I know that most pairs have been selling for around $180. I'm on the fence on these. I don't know if they'll do good or not, but if you want these, don't wait, go ahead and snatch them up, because I don't know if they're going to sell or not. Because it is a nice black cement colorway. Predominant shoe is black. It does feature that elephant print in gray that we love. It does feature that white midsole that we're custom seen on the original black cements. Again, that bottom outsole is very clean. It does feature that gray and black pod in the middle. It does have that white pod around the Jordan brand in mint green again on the back. Again, because this is not a OG colorway, we do have the standard Jumpman Air on the back. Again, I do like the way they chose this, have this mint green in the back. I do thanks to shoe pop, the mint color on the back. And the tongue features that mint Jumpman, as well as I do think it's a nice touch. It was gray throughout, and I do like the way they have these black laces. It does make the shoe pop a little bit more. I don't know if you put any mint laces, will that make the shoe pop even more? But the sock liner, because it is a light gray, so you won't have to worry about getting dirty. I do think this nice touch behind the tongue. You do see that mint green. That is a nice feature. As you see the insole, we do have that, again, that mint green with the black Jumpman. I do think this is a nice touch. Overall, I am rocking these, and this is a clean shoe, in my opinion. But this does remind me of another shoe that came out in 2021. It's called the Electric Green. Unfortunately, the Electric Green only came in GS sizes, and of course, they went way under retail. Prices were going for around $135 right now. Size 6.5 is $102. But again, it does feature that similar black cement style. And again, I am rocking these. How about you, my brother?
You know what? This is a clean shoe. I really don't get Jordan Brand to be dropping this shoe in the spring. This shoe for me is speaking fall. You know, I can see this shoe sitting, you know, with that price point. It's just a fall shoe, you know, going into the spring. I like the shoe. You would think I don't like this shoe. I will be rocking the shoe, you know, before it's a collection, something I must have. I just wait and wait for it to drop. But it is a clean shoe. I like what they did with that green glow and the black. I think it complements the shoe. You know, I really feel they put thought behind, you know, bringing those two colors together. But just the timing of releasing that shoe really don't make any sense to me, because just looking at that shoe don't speak spring. It speaks more of fall. But you know, drop us a comment down below if you agree with me or you disagree with me. But either way, that's just my opinion. But in saying all that, my brother, I will be rocking those. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Please.